Some cheeses are indulgent by design, but a handful of the most popular varieties out there are a lot more dangerous for your body than they let on. Take Camembert, the soft, creamy cheese that's nearly impossible to resist once it's baked and oozing, especially after you've drizzled it with honey and topped the entire thing with some walnuts. But as tempting as that sounds, Camembert isn't exactly a health food. While it's a solid source of protein, it's also high in fat, sitting at around 23%, with roughly 14% of that being saturated fat. It's also loaded with salt, coming in at 1.5 grams or more per 100 grams, depending on the brand. And if you're reaching for deep-fried Camembert sticks of wedges, that's an even less healthy route to take. But if Camembert is a must-have, sharing it helps cut down on the calories, fat, and salt you'd otherwise be taking in solo. And swapping that crusty bread for raw vegetables like cucumber and carrot sticks is another easy way to lighten the load. Then there's Double Gloucester, a strong, savory British cheese. It's not exactly a household name in the US, but it is one of the highest calorie cheeses out there. Packing a whopping 415 calories per 100 grams, it also has 35 grams of fat, nearly 22 of which is saturated, and 1.7 grams of salt. If you do manage to track some down, either from a specialty deli or a trip across the pond, it's best used sparingly. Luckily, its bold flavor means that a little goes a long way in some mac and cheese, cheese boards, or even a grilled cheese. Between the calories, fat, and salt, Double Gloucester lands firmly on the list of cheeses to watch out for, especially for anyone focused on weight loss. Finally, there's halloumi, the squeaky, salty Cypriot cheese behind everyone's favorite fried appetizer. As a general rule, breaded and deep-fried anything usually tends to be a rough choice nutritionally, and halloumi is no exception. On its own, it already comes loaded with 4.7 grams of fat, 5.1 grams of saturated fat, and 0.9 grams of salt per just a 30-gram serving. That said, halloumi isn't all bad news. The cheese is also packed with protein, calcium, zinc, phosphorus, and vitamin A. Plus, it's also a great source of B vitamins like B12, B2, and folic acid that can help boost your energy levels. Enjoyed in moderation, especially if it's been grilled instead of fried, halloumi can still find its place on the table without totally derailing anyone's health goals.